In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD indicator on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can start using MACD in your own trading analysis. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're looking at a chart. Any chart and any time frame will work. Once your chart is visible, move your mouse to the top of the platform and look for the main menu bar. There, you'll see an option labeled Insert. This is where MetaTrader keeps most of the tools you can add to your chart. Go ahead and click on Insert. This tells the platform that you want to place something new, like an indicator, onto your current chart. After you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, find and hover your mouse over Indicators. You don't need to click right away, just hovering over Indicators will open another side menu. This Indicators menu is organized by different categories, which makes it easier to find the type of tool you're looking for. Within this new menu, look for the section labeled Oscillators. Oscillators are a group of indicators that typically appear in a separate window below your main price chart and help you measure momentum and potential shifts in trend strength. Move your mouse over Oscillators and click it to open the list of available oscillators in MetaTrader 5. In that list, you'll see several options, and one of them will be MACD. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and it's a popular tool traders use to spot possible trend changes, crossovers, and momentum in the market. Go ahead and click on MACD. As soon as you click it, a settings window will usually pop up. Depending on your platform's configuration, you might see default values for the fast EMA, slow EMA, and signal line. If you're just getting started, you can simply keep the default settings and click OK. MetaTrader 5 will then add the MACD to your chart in a separate panel underneath the price. You should now see the MACD histogram and signal line ready for you to use in your analysis. If you want to adjust it later, you can right-click on the MACD area, choose Properties, and fine-tune the settings or colors to match your personal preferences.